everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a landing page for free in Mailerlite, right? So if let's say you have not signed up for a free Mailerlite account, Mailerlite allows you to send up to 12,000 emails to up to 1,000 subscribers in a month for free. So you can check out for the link down below in the description box to register Mailerlite for free. So once you have registered successfully, you will be logged into this dashboard in Mailerlite. And at the top bar of the Mailerlite, I want you guys to click on sites, right? Sites means it's either a website or landing page. So right now we are going to create a landing page by clicking the button and just name. So this is just a sample in Mailerlite. All right, so this is a landing page name. Just click on save and continue. And Mailerlite will give you templates for you to choose where you can actually modify it without building from scratch in Mailerlite. So before that, we are going to select the subscribers group. So if let's say you do not have anything over here, please do not worry. It just means that you are really new, you have not added any groups before. So just hit on the new group button on the right hand side in Mailerlite. So I will just call this as Mailerlite testing group. All right, and then click on create. So once you click on this, I'll just tick on the subscribers group where whenever someone actually on your landing page and they opt into your landing page, which subscribers group that they belong to. So that in my case, since I created a new group, I will just click Mailerlite testing. So after that, click save and continue. All right. So once you have done so, Mailerlite will give you few templates to choose from and it's absolutely for free, okay? So I'll just pick one that signifies digital product, right? So you can just click on preview in Mailerlite to see how it looks like. Otherwise, you can just hit select in Mailerlite. All right, once I've done so, Mailerlite will populate the templates for me to do the drag and drop. So the drag and drop is really simple. I'm just going to go ahead to show you guys how you can include a form so that your subscribers can actually opt in. All right, you guys can see here it's pretty simple. You can change literally anything in this landing page. Like for example, when I double click here, you can just change the font, right? Change the text and just change the font style. And if let's say you want to change the image, just hover over to this image, all right? And then just make any changes accordingly to the settings part, right? So it is pretty easy for you to use when it comes to the Mailerlite. Like for example, when you click on a this image in Mailerlite, just click on edit image. Just choose any image, upload your image, right? And then you can change the image pretty easily. So I will just delete the image first and then let me just, yeah, I uploaded one image before, so I'll just include it. Yeah, it's pretty simple. And you can make the alignment adjustments and also the design. So I think the most important one is to show you guys how you can include a opt-in form, right? So it's pretty simple. What you need to do is you hover to one of the elements, just hit on the plus button, all right? And then I want you guys to go to a form. You can go to sign up form, right? So when you hit on the sign up form, they will populate this form for you, all right? And automatically Mailerlite will go back to the subscribers group that whenever they subscribe to it. So make any changes that you want in this landing page as you like. And then once you're done, I want you to hit on save and publish, all right? So let us try now. All right, over here, you can actually change your URL. So this one is testing Mailerlite, let's say. Wonder if anyone taken the URL. So otherwise, if let's say you want to have your own custom domain, like your own domain name over here, you need to upgrade your plan. Otherwise, if let's say you're okay with having the subscribepage.com slash testing Mailerlite, then it's fine. And then the next one, you can include an image of your favicon. However, you need to upgrade your plan. And there is also SEO. So you can do the page title here, and you can include the page keywords and page descriptions, all right? And you can take this if let's say you want the search engine like Google to actually index your page so that it's searchable in the Google as well. So once you have done that, you can hit on save and continue. So let us hit that. All right, then this will pop up, right? If you want to have double opt-in, you can actually turn it on. So double opt-in, it means that when your subscribers put in their email like, and yeah, an email will be sent to them to ask them to confirm their email address. So if let's say you want that this to happen in some certain countries, there is like a rule to have that. You can turn it on. Otherwise, you can just maintain it as off. And then after that, this will be your URL, and you can always unpublish your page anytime that you want. So right now, I'm just going to copy this URL link and I'm just going to put it in my search bar and just have a check, right? Yeah. So this is our super easy, pretty landing page that you can even have without like paying for any fee at all. So if let's say you haven't registered for a free Mailerlite account, remember to register. The link is in the description box down below, and I just want to do a test. So let me go to the form. All right, this is the form, right? So I'm just going to put in my email. You guys can hit me up at hello@junlau.co, right? And I'm just going to hit subscribe. All right. So all the subscribe, this will appear. So basically, this is what we call as a success page, right? So how you're able to edit a success page, I would just want to show you guys. When you guys were editing the template, there was a method that you guys can edit the success page as well. So now I'm just going back to the site and do some editing to show you guys. So can you guys see that there's one subscribers because I just subscribed to my own page, right? So now I want to show you guys where to edit success page. So just click edit in Mailerlite. All right, I want you guys to go to the edit, and can you guys see that there is like two button at the top menu bar in middle? Like one is called landing page, the other one is called success page. So what we didn't do just now is to edit the success page, right? So what you need to do is that to click on the success page and to edit the information over here, and you can rebuild the elements, you can include super nice image and also change the background as you want. All right, so I hope that you guys loving this tutorial to have your free landing page in Mailerlite for free. And remember to register a free Mailerlite account using my link where I input in the description box down below. And you can also go to the playlist of mine in my YouTube channel Mailerlite, because I have more tutorial to teach you how to send your first ever email campaign in Mailerlite, as well as embed your forms in any of your sites, as well as create automations for your email sequences in Mailerlite as well. So all of this, you can do it for free. That's the reason that we love Mailerlite. So without any further ado, I will see you in the next tutorial then. Take care. Bye. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Bye.